Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find your alarm fuse, guys, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Some models will have that one, some will not. It really depends if yours is equipped with alarm system. It really depends, guys, how it was ordered, but we'll explain where it's located in case you need to check it and why it's super important to test fuses, relays, and we'll explain how we can do that. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what we have, guys, here, 3.6 Dodge Charger, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same. You need to come right here. Okay, let me find something to point with, but right here, guys, okay, you have that fuse box. You have one notch here, one there. You squish, pull out, you can flip it, and that way here the fuse layout corresponds to what we have specifically here, guys. The fuse that you will need to check for the alarm module is known as intrusion module, okay, and this one, guys, will be a 10 amp fuse if you have it. Some will not, and it will be fuse number 10. This one here, the second fuse from left to right, we do not have it because our car does not come with that system. But for any of you that need help with that, we decided to share the information because it's known as intrusion module instead of alarm module. So that's the fuse that you will need to check. It's a 10 amp fuse in most cases, but always check your manual. For our specific ear, it's a 10 amp fuse. Now, it's super important to test fuses and relays so you can verify that they're good or bad, because sometimes you will not be able to tell 100% if that's the problem, and that way you can eliminate that. And we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays. Check it out, and we'll have links where you can buy replacement ones from for a really good price too. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.